Automating workflows in Adobe Photoshop with AMT action set files. These contain recorded action sequences for batch image processing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through importing using these Photoshop action set files to streamline your photo editing workflow. For those complex AMT formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. An AMT file is an action set file used by older versions of Adobe Photoshop, specifically version 3.0. Users create or download these files to store a collection of recorded steps, or actions, which can be played back to automate repetitive editing tasks. This allows for efficient batch processing of images with consistent results. The AMT format is a proprietary binary file that serializes a sequence of Photoshop commands and their associated parameters. This design allows the software to store a complex workflow in a compact, self-contained file that can be easily loaded and executed by the Photoshop engine, enabling users to share and reuse their custom editing processes. For the AMT file type, Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated is a trusted and reliable source. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows cannot interpret dependencies between settings, so careful review is essential before editing. Your first step towards recovery: right-click the AMT file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. If the AMT file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the AMT problem. First, loading in Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop and open the Actions panel through Window then Actions. Click the panel menu and select Load Actions. Then navigate to the AMT file. The actions appear in your Actions panel, ready for application to images. Run actions individually or use batch processing for multiple files. Next, running actions on images. Open an image in Photoshop and select the desired action from the Actions panel. Click play to execute the recorded sequence. The action processes the image automatically, applying all recorded operations. Save the result manually or include save operations within the action for fully automated processing. Finally, batch processing with actions. Use File, then Automate. Then Batch in Photoshop to apply AMT actions to multiple files automatically. Configure the source folder destination and action selection. Batch processing enables consistent processing of large image sets, ideal for photography workflows requiring uniform editing across event coverage or product photography. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.